In this video we're going to show you how to check and see what licenses you have in your machine. This is important because if your ID chip goes bad, you'll have licensing errors, or if somebody changes the CPU board out and does not put the license chip in it, or if they would damage it.
Stop! This training video on Bizerba equipment is provided as a customer service to Vande scale customers who have purchased Bizerba product from Vande scales in the past. Since 2015, Vande Scales has stopped selling Bizerba and designed our own weight price labeling product so that we can properly support our valued customers. The Vande Scales weight price labeling product is specifically designed to endure the rigors of the processing plant environment, being extremely robust. The Vande Scales weight price labeling equipment is designed to be lower cost to purchase, easier and simpler to operate, much lower cost to maintain, much lower cost to service, and easily serviced by your own technicians while being washdown capable and extremely durable. We have felt your weight price labeling pain over the years and promise not to overprice parts or services, keep the design simple, and use normal industry available parts. Vande Scales still has a large inventory of Bizerba parts that we will eagerly offer substantial discounts to you on. If you have not explored the Vande Scales weight price labeling equipment, you owe it to yourself to have a look. We are confident that once you understand the advantages, you will purchase Vande Scales weight price labeling product.
So if you go under Service and System Services, and if you select Licenses, and here you will see you can enter a license code. Entering a license code, if you need true type fonts, or if you're going to do weight classes, that's where you would enter in the license that you would get from Bizerba or your distributor. This is how we're going to check our licenses we have right now. We're going to select the print license list, and when you do this, you just break your labels off and let them feed out the front, and then if you just hit the OK button, then you will get a printout, and in this printout you will see right here, you can see your system address. It'll give you the date to tell you what machine you have. It will also give you your software and ID. Then you go down in your list right here. This is right here, you'll see your hardware ID. That means that it's actually recognizing your license chip, because that's your number, and then your system, like your system address or your printer. Then if you come down here a little bit farther, then this is all the listed licenses that you can get. Most of the times you'll come down in this list, and like right here you have GT soft control, that's to run your display. That has to have a, you can see right here, a plus sign. On other ones there'll be, see like here, if you wanted weight classes, that would have to be a plus sign. Loadable fonts is another one. And then if you want increase in speed and that kind of thing, you have to get the codes for that. But that's how you check your license list. But normally the only one that you need to make sure there's a plus mark for sure is your GT soft control.